Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing my secret to finding great deals on hammers and other tools for the shop. Alright, let's check out these deals. We got a nice old cross peen, nice rounding hammer, $3, $1. This huge set of tapping dies, $5. This massive set of tongs, $2. Every tool you see on this table was $5 or less. Alright, now that you've seen the awesome deals you can find, I'm going to take this old rusty cross peen, clean it up, dress the faces, put a new handle on it, and turn it into a nice forging hammer, just to give you an idea of what is possible with these old tools. Alrighty, I think that's as far as I'm going to take it for now. I'll come back and dress it up some more if I need to. Alright, I'm going to take this new handle. I'm going to pull that off. Put some of this dark walnut stain on it. And we'll put the head on. Before I do that, I wanted to ask if anybody knows what this hammer right here is for. I have no idea. I'll tell you where I got it later in the video, but yeah. If anybody knows what these are made for, please leave a comment down below. Let me know, let the other viewers know. I'm super curious about that. Appreciate it. Yeah, we're gonna get some stain on this and then put the handle on the head. You see, it's completely closed up, so we're going to have to open that so we can get that wedge in there. I like how that's feeling good already. This hammer is ready to forge with. It says here, drop forge, Japan, and then it has some initials, TJC, I believe, with a diamond around it. Not sure what that is, but she's ready to go. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that quick little hammer restoration video. I wanted to include that just so you can see the potential that these old rusty hammers have. This is going to be a nice little forging hammer. Check out future videos to see that. Let's go ahead and jump right into what you've all been waiting for. My top 3 ways or places that I find these tools are at flea markets, yard sales, and estate sales. A couple tips for the estate sales. You can go on estatesale.net and look up your area if you're in the States. I'm not sure about other countries, but here in the States, go on estatesale.net, type in your area, and you can go through, and they have pictures of most of the stuff they're going to have at the estate sales. So you can look on there without even driving and decide if the estate sale is even worth going to. That's what I do, and so I'll look on there a week ahead of time, pick out which ones I want to go to, And depending on what's there, it will dictate which day I go to the sale. Typically, estate sales are going to be 2 to 3 days. The last day of the estate sales, typically everything's going to be 50% off. So I usually wait till the last day so I can get the best deal. If there's something you see that you really, really want and comes up less often, I'd go on the first day and try to snag it. Another way to get better deals at estate sales, yard sales, or flea markets is to try to bundle things together. They might have $5 on this hammer. You pick out 3 other hammers and you can talk them down. Maybe get 5 hammers for, I don't know, 15 bucks or something. I always try to bundle stuff together to get a better deal on it. 8 bucks for all those. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully it's helpful. Hopefully you guys can get out there and find some really good deals on tools. Yeah, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't seen already, I've had a video doing an anvil review. I used this hammer. Some good footage there. Also, this hammer, if you don't have time to go to estate sales or walk around flea markets, this hammer is available in a box store. Check out that video and you'll see that on there. Thanks and have a good one.